Okay, hello mga ka-Dream Fertles. Today ay may bago tayong reading at ang reading natin ay para sa zodiac sign na earth signs. Okay? So, ang unang earth sign na ating i-read today ay Taurus. Okay, maaring ikaw ngayon ay Taurus, ay nagugutom at gusto mo kumain, Taurus. Sige, kumain ka muna. Pwede kang kumain habang nakikinig sa iyong reading. So, itong reading natin ngayon, Taurus, ay tungkol sa life update mo for this year 2026. So, Taurus, ano nga ba ang life update mo for 2026? Taurus, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, kung ikaw ay nagugutom, maaaring ikaw ay kumain habang nakikinig sa akin. Okay? So, first card we have is the Four of Swords. Next, we have the Princess of Swords. Ang daming swords, ang daming air sign. And we have the Empress. Okay. So, that's your card, the 3 cards. Next, let's have another cards pa before we read your reading. Okay, we have the 8 of Wands in reverse. Okay, another. Have the Judgment, Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, so next we have another card. Let's see. Sige, kain ka muna dyan habang nakikinig ka. Okay, relax ka lang. 2 of Swords in reverse. Then we have the 3 of Wands in reverse. And last one, we have the Ace of Swords upright. Okay. So, Taurus, for the year 2026, as I can see in your cards, tulad ng sinabi ko sa iyo, if you want to eat, kumain ka muna. Para mas maintindihan mo lahat ng bagay na kailangan mong gawin or for you to make a decision. Okay? Ibig sabihin dito, you need to focus on your necessity or your essentials sa buhay mo. Okay? So, as I can see here in your cards, you have the 4 of Swords. Okay? For the swords, we have yung mga air signs natin. Okay? And you also have the Princess of Swords. Okay? Actually, maganda naman siya dito. Though, when it comes to the 8 of Wands, it's in reverse. Kasi parang ano to opportunity na paparating sa'yo. Okay? So, you feel you are lacking of opportunities in life. Okay? So, tingin mo, para sa'yo, Taurus, nung pagpasok ng taon ng 2026, you feel like, parang less yung opportunity na pumapasok sa'yo this year, no? Yung pagpasok ng taon ng 2026, you feel like, parang walang success, walang asenso, parang walang nangyayari sa'yo when it comes to financial or let's say stability or material things. Kasi Taurus ka, di ba? Earth sign. Ano naman natin ang mga Taurus, no? Mga earth signs, basically. Most of the earth signs are after for the material things. We want or you want stability, di ba? Kasi nga gusto mo talaga ng stability. So parang feeling mo you are lacking of it. Kasi parang you're praying for it, no? Parang may mga new ideas ka, may mga ideas ka na gusto mong gawin or ginagawa mo, pero parang feeling mo walang success doon. Okay? Ang sinasabi sa'yo dito, kasi lumabas ulit ang Ace of Swords. So, when it comes to ideas, no, mentally, we're speaking in your mental state. Kung mga ideas to, naiisip mo, go for it daw. There will be judgment naman sa mga ideas na naiisip mo. Kasi parang medyo particular ka when it comes to your stability talaga. You have here the 3 of Wands, but it's in reverse. Okay? Naka-reverse to, at naka-reverse din ng 2 of Swords. Kumbaga, kasi dito sa 2 of Swords, naka-reverse siya. So, ibig sabihin, you know naman what to do, no? Taurus, alam mo naman kung anong gusto mong makuha this year, alam mo kung anong gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. Kumbaga, when it comes to planning, ideas, you have it naman. You have it all. But, parang walang success nga doon. Yun ang nafe-feel mo. Parang walang success, walang progress, walang nangyayaring completion, walang nangyayaring good result for you. You are thinking that way, no? Siguro nagmamadali ka ba? Nagmamadali ka ba, Taurus? Okay? Kasi, at saka you have the beauty. Kung ikaw ay nasa beauty industry, magiging perfecto sa'yo. Okay? Kung wala ka naman sa beauty industry, let's say nasa ibang business ka, let's say rental, real estate, ganon, siguro, I would suggest you focus on your Empress mode, yung parang when it comes to beauty, aesthetics, pampaganda, all about beauty, aesthetics, yung mga magagandang bagay, kahit yung mga pabango, mababango, magaganda, yung mga ganon. Mga pleasing, no? Tsaka Taurus ka din naman, you are, katulad ka ng Libra na your planet is Venus, so kailangan sa'yo, maganda ka palagi, or busog ka palagi, no? Kasi pag hindi ka busog, parang wala ka naiisip na maayos. Okay, let's have another cards pa. Okay? Kumbaga, okay naman yung mga ideas na iisip mo, ginagawa mo naman, okay? Pero nga, dahil nga isa ka ding earth sign, medyo parang pinag-iisipan mo in a way with your action, hindi ganun kabilis. Kasi nga, earth sign ka, diba, Taurus? You need to build up first. Hindi yan instant. No? Hindi yan mabilisan na nagtanim ka ngayon, gusto mo bukas agad magbubunga yun. Hindi siya ganun. Okay? So, Let's have another card. Queen of Cups. Okay? Magiging maayos din ang lahat. You will feel fulfilled. Okay? Kasi judgment, ayan o. Seven of Swords. Okay. Siguro maging maingat ka lang sa mga bagay na iniisip mo, na feeling mo kasi na you're lacking of something or there's no progress. Parang ang kalaban mo dito is yourself, your mind. Ang ganda ng mga ideas mo, pero pag ginawa mo na siya, tapos parang, let's say for a month, walang nangyaring success para sa'yo in your own opinion. Para bang, parang hindi maganda. Ganon kaagad. Eight of Cups. Ayan o. Parang ang bilis mong mag-walk out. Ang bilis mong, halimbawa, bigyan kita ng scenario, no? Kasi parang ganito ka, Taurus. This year, madami kang mga ideas na gustong gawin when it comes to stability, mga mag-put ng business, ganyan. And you can do it. Okay, you can have it as well. Kaso ikaw rin yung klase ng tao na pag nagsimula ka let's say this week, no? Or let's say you will start next month, June. Tapos for that whole month, wala kang nakitang progress na gusto mo. Let's say, ang gusto mong ma-meet na standard is 80% agad, yung taas or whatever na changes na maganda. Pero hindi mo na-meet yun. Parang ang bilis mong mag-walk out agad. Okay? Ang bilis mong magpalit agad. Without thinking na, possible na maging maayos naman eh. Pero nagmamadali ka. Okay? Hindi ko alam bakit ka nagmamadali. Yun ba yung kailangan nating malaman? Ba't ka nga ba nagmamadali? Nagmamadali ka this year. Taurus, parang bang, I need to be, Knight of Pentacles. Ayun, nagmamadali ka. Kaso, mabagal nga ang progress. Knight of Pentacles, so pinakamabagal to sa lahat ng knight. And you are also, kasi naulit ko nga, di ba? You are an earth sign. And, of course, yung earth sign ka, hindi ganun kabilis talaga yun. Sa lahat ng signs, ang earth sign, ang pinakamabagal. Okay? Lalo na sa progress. So, medyo matigas kasi ang ulo mo no? Knight of Pentacles, mabagal, pero stable naman to pagdating ng panahon. So, huwag ka magmadali. Let's say, sabi ko kanina, siguro one of your ideas is to aesthetics, no? Halimbawa, magtatayo ka ng salon, magtatayo ka ng mga pagupitan, ganon, papagupit, papariband, spa, massage, nail polish, mga ganon, basta pampaganda, no? Particularly para sa mga babae. Ang client mo parang more on sa mga babae. Siyempre sa umpisa, hindi naman laging success yan eh. I mean, hindi naman lagi may client ka. Hindi lagi patok yung business mo. And that's fine. That's okay. Taurus, that's okay. For this whole year, ganun ang gagawin mo. You need to stabilize your business. In what way? Don't walk away agad. No? Huwag mong bitawan agad. Yung tipong, last week, ang dami mong mga clients. Then next week, on the other week or a month, walang gaanong client, walang gaanong service kang nire-render kasi walang pumupunta sa business mo. Ikakat mo na. Bibitawan mo na. Huwag ganun. Ayun, no? Queen of Cups. Sumabas ulit 2 beses. Magiging fulfilled ka someday. By the end of this year, Taurus, you will feel fulfilled emotionally. Okay? Kung meron ka mga kailangan planong gawin ngayon, kasi more on nakafocus ka sa business, more on nakafocus ka for the stability, financial stability. And I can see na magagawa mo siya this year. Pero wag ka lang masyadong magmadali sa outcome na gusto mo na mangyari. Kasi pwedeng yung outcome, na positive outcome, pwede naman siya mangyari talaga. Pero possible kasi not in your way or not in the way of your thinking. Okay? So, pwedeng dito maging success ka but not, let's say, financially agad, but could be emotionally. The feeling that, magiging stable din pala ng business ko. Try it. I would suggest, sa beauty industry ka mag-start. No? And then again, hindi naman kasi everyday may pera yung tao, lalo na ngayon, no? Hindi naman ganun kadali ang buhay. Hindi naman everyday may mga nagpapaganda. No? So, yun nga. Multifaceted. There are many layers and dimensions to the situation or person you're asking about. So, multifaceted. So, there's a lot of things. Siguro ang nakikita ko dito, aside from that word, parang you need to be, don't focus on one thing. Di ba nga yung magandang business mo, hindi lang nakafocus sa pagpapagupit lang ng buhok. Pwedeng, parang sa salon nga. Di ba pag masok ka sa isang salon, hindi lang sila nagugupit ng buhok. Pwede din naman magpa-nail polish, pwedeng magpakulay ng hair, pwedeng magpa-foot spa, yung mga ganun. Parang all-in-one dapat yung business na gagawin mo. Okay, next we have I connect with heaven. So, dahil naka-reverse to, in reverse. So, I think ito yung kailangan mong gawin. Medyo nalalak ka sa faith mo. Medyo parang feeling mo, parang, yun nga, you're lacking of faith na parang wala namang patutunguhan tong business ko. No, meron siyang patutunguhan someday. And because you're lacking of this, you need to do this every now and then. You need to connect with God. No? Every business naman, there is a downfall and ups and downs, no? Lalo na kung, okay, ito ata. Lalo na kung ikaw ay hindi mo life path yun. Kung life path number 5 ka, so basically aesthetics ang ipunteriya mo talaga. Kung 6 ka naman, siguro mga rental houses, mga ganon. So iba-iba, it depends, no? Pero sa'yo nakikita aesthetics to beauty. A rose without thorns, you have a right to your joy, peace, sweetness of life. But it's also in reverse. So kailangan mo tong i-focus to. Dapat habang nagbi-business ka, kahit minsan may client, minsan wala, minsan meron, minsan madami, minsan as in wala talaga, magbukas ka pa din. Be open pa din. And while you're doing that, you need to be also happy doing it, no? Dapat may peace kang nafe-feel habang ginagawa mo. Hindi yung stress, no? Hindi yung, ay, wala na namang client, kasi bukas, tatamarin ka na, magbubukas pa ba ako? Wala namang, Again, it's energy to energy. Okay? So, When it comes to money, money is energy. Okay, pag na-feel ng money na parang bang tinatamad ka, tatamad din yan. Pag na-feel ng money na parang bang nagmamadali ka, the more nalalayo yan sa'yo. So, yun nga. Do not chase. Chase? Bakit chase? Bakit dapat chase ang sasabihin ko? Do not chase. Bakit sinabi ko chase? O chase. Bakit ang pangalan mo? Chase? Ano? Basta may nabanggit ako. Pwedeng yun. Maybe it's your name. Or maybe, there's something with that word. Hindi ko na siya maulit eh. Basta doon sa pangalan is, you'll see H-A-S-E or cheers, sounds like cheers. Umaga mag-enjoy ka din naman for a little, no? Magsaya ka. Okay? Kung kailangan mo mag-party and have time with your friends while doing your business, you can do so. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan masyado kang focus sa business mo. Again, people come and go. Even the things that you have right now. So, stay put ka lang. So, for the year 2026, I think you need to focus sa business mo, but not in a way like masyado kang focus sa money. Okay? Money will come if the energy is right. Okay, so you need to fix your energy muna when it comes to money. Okay, so that's all for your reading today, Taurus. And if it resonates, you can subscribe to my channel and watch my other readings. And after all these readings, I also have another for other things to post, so you can be updated. Okay, so thank you for listening, and we'll see you again in our next reading. Bye!